Starting off with earn by time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and the first order is going to be a Taco Bell going 3.5 miles.
Hey, are you checking in with your app to earn rewards points?
Literally been an hour.
Really?
Since somebody said that.
Wow.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a 7-Eleven pickup. $7 going 3 miles. Oh, very nice. I now see why the employee said it was an hour that order's been waiting. No tip. Total ended up being $4 and change. Morning. For Brian. Thank you. Next up, we've got a Black Rock coffee going 5.5 miles. I'll be surprised if this is not ready for me because kind of took forever to get here. Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Total for that order was $8. Just got the next order. This is an IHOP going 4 miles.
Who are you picking up for?
Gail?
Yes.
Thank you. Hello.
Hi.
There you are.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day. Total for that order was $7. Going right back to IHOP. This one is going 4 miles. Wow, another no tip. Total for that one was $4, and we got the next order right away. This one is McDonald's going 3 miles.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Have a good day. Thank you. Okay, there was no tip on that one through the app, and total for that one was just under $4, but gave me a nice little cash tip. And we got the next order right away. This one is Black Rock Coffee going just under 4 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $8. We are going back to IHOP for this one. This is going 5.5 miles. Total for that order was $14. Oh, wow. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for Walgreens. This one is $10 going 5.5 miles, 3 items.
Any other nation, it would have my MAC address perfectly.
Just got back into my car and they're giving me an add-on. This is Jack in the Box, $10 going an extra 3 miles. I mean, that's hard to turn down. I'm just hoping that it's ready and I don't have to wait too long. Well, the customer doesn't have to wait too long since I already have their stuff in my car. It's been a little bit since I dropped off that last order, but we finally got something. This is Chick-fil-A going 3 miles. Thank you.
It's my pleasure.
Total for that one was $8. Got the next order right away. This is Presso coffee going just under 4 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $10. Okay. Just got the next order. This one is terrible on paper. This is a Victor Rico's going 10 miles, but luckily for me, I've got somewhere I need to be, and this one is actually taking me in that direction, so it works out. This is the longest gravel road I've had to take ever. I've been driving for like 2 minutes now, and I think we're about halfway. I have no idea where this house is. Total for that order was $21. Oh wow, was that worth it? I don't even remember the mileage. I know it was like a million, so probably not. Current time is 9:54. Total, we ended up with $124. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.